In a stunning twist that reshaped the battlefield of artificial intelligence, a new contender has surged ahead. But who is this unexpected leader? And how did Tülu 3, AI2's latest innovation, suddenly outperform the giants of the industry like DeepSeek and OpenAI on multiple critical benchmarks? Background and development of Tülu 3. Let's take a closer look at the origins and development of Tülu 3. Created by AI2, the Allen Institute for AI, this model marks a significant leap in AI technology. Known for their pioneering work in artificial intelligence, AI2 has introduced Tülu 3 as one of the largest and most powerful AI models ever built, boasting an astonishing 405 billion parameters. This massive scale was achieved using 256 GPUs, demonstrating the immense computing power involved in its creation. What sets Tülu 3 apart is its open-source nature. In an industry where many powerful AI models are closely guarded, Tülu 3 breaks the mold by making its entire framework, from training codes to learning mechanisms, available to the public for free. This openness fosters a collaborative environment where developers and researchers worldwide can access, modify, and improve upon the model. By sharing Tülu 3 so openly, AI2 not only advances the field of AI but also democratizes access to cutting-edge technology, allowing a broader community to contribute to and benefit from these significant advancements. This strategy could potentially accelerate innovation across various sectors, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Key features and capabilities of Tülu 3. Tülu 3 is not just an ordinary AI model. Its unique capabilities make it stand out in the crowded field of artificial intelligence. This model excels because of its innovative learning methods, specifically through techniques such as direct preference optimization and reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards, RVR. These approaches enable Tülu 3 to continuously improve by learning from feedback and earning rewards for accurate responses, similar to how students receive gold stars for good performance. Moreover, Tülu 3's advanced capabilities are demonstrated through its performance on various AI benchmarks. These tests assess the model's proficiency in a range of tasks from solving complex math equations to processing and understanding natural language. Tülu 3 has consistently outperformed other notable AI models, such as DeepSeek V3 and GPT-40, showcasing its ability to handle diverse and challenging problems. This impressive performance highlights Tülu 3's significant computational power and sophisticated architecture, designed to handle tasks that mimic a wide array of human-like reasoning and knowledge application. In practical terms, Tülu 3's ability to excel across these benchmarks indicates its potential application across multiple industries, from automating customer service interactions to aiding in complex scientific research. Its open-source nature further amplifies its impact, allowing developers and researchers around the world to experiment with and build upon its framework. This collaborative potential not only speeds up the innovation cycle, but also democratizes access to state-of-the-art AI technologies, paving the way for more inclusive advancements in AI. Tülu 3's blend of size, intelligence, and accessibility establishes it as a formidable force in AI, pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and achieve. Its continued development and adaptation could lead to even more sophisticated AI systems in the future, potentially transforming industries and everyday life through smarter, more responsive artificial intelligence solutions. Tülu 3's impact on the AI industry. Tülu 3 has certainly made waves in the AI industry, redefining competition and sparking a surge of innovation. Its debut has ignited a creative race among tech giants, compelling them to enhance their AI technologies. This competitive environment is advantageous for the industry as it drives the development of smarter, more efficient AI systems. What distinguishes Tülu 3, however, is its commitment to open-source principles. Unlike many proprietary models that guard their secrets, Tülu 3 is freely accessible to anyone. This openness is revolutionary. It democratizes AI technology, allowing individuals and organizations around the world to explore, adapt, and even improve upon Tülu 3's foundations. AI2, the architects behind Tülu 3, have championed this open-source approach to foster a more inclusive AI community. Their initiative not only enhances transparency in AI development, but also promotes widespread participation across diverse sectors. As a result, a larger pool of talent can contribute to AI's evolution, potentially leading to breakthroughs that might have been stifled under more restrictive models. Moreover, Tülu 3's approach could reshape how AI is perceived and utilized, offering a blueprint for future AI projects that prioritize accessibility and collaborative advancement. This could profoundly influence the trajectory of AI development, steering it towards more open and community-focused directions. Competitive analysis. In the fast-paced world of AI, Tülu 3 has emerged as a formidable contender, setting itself apart from rivals like DeepSeek and OpenAI. One major feature that makes Tülu 3 shine is its gigantic size, boasting 405 billion parameters. This gives it a strong ability to handle complex tasks, outperforming DeepSeek's models and even challenging OpenAI's sophisticated systems in various benchmarks. Tülu 3 is also fully open source, a rare trait in the realm of powerful AI models. This openness allows developers and researchers worldwide to explore, modify, and improve upon its structure, fostering innovation and collaboration across the global AI community. This transparency is not just about sharing, it's about empowering a broader range of creators and innovators in AI. However, Tülu 3 isn't without its challenges. Its vast size requires immense computing power, making it less accessible for individuals or smaller teams without significant resources. Additionally, while it excels in many areas, it sometimes falls short in tasks where fine-tuned, specialized models like GPT-40 have an edge. Despite these challenges, Tülu 3's performance and open-source ethos represent a significant shift, suggesting a future where powerful AI tools are more widely accessible and collectively enhanced. Future prospects and industry reactions. As Tülu 3 carves its place in the AI landscape, its impact hints at exciting future prospects and significant advancements. Given its robust capabilities and open-source nature, Tülu 3 is poised to become a foundational tool that could lead to innovations in AI efficiency, ethical AI development, and machine learning models. Future developments might include more nuanced AI interactions, enhanced natural language processing, and broader applications in fields like healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. The potential for Tülu 3 to integrate deeper learning and more accurate predictive analytics could redefine industry standards, setting a new benchmark for AI capabilities. The reaction from other AI companies and industry players to Tülu 3's rise has been a mix of admiration, rivalry, and strategic recalibration. Competitors are closely examining the advantages Tülu 3 brings, especially its open-source model, which challenges the norm of proprietary systems. Companies like OpenAI and DeepSeek are likely spurred to accelerate their own R&D efforts, perhaps pushing towards more transparency and community involvement in their projects. There's a general acknowledgement that Tülu 3's success could shift the competitive dynamics, encouraging a more collaborative and open approach across the sector. Moreover, the broader AI community has shown enthusiastic interest in Tülu 3, with developers and researchers keen to explore its capabilities. This collective engagement is likely to spur a wave of innovative applications and tools built on Tülu 3's framework, further driving the AI industry forward. As Tülu 3 continues to influence the market, the entire ecosystem of AI development is set to evolve, potentially leading to more groundbreaking technologies that were once thought to be years away. In conclusion, Tülu 3 stands as a monumental breakthrough in the AI industry, reshaping how technology is developed and shared. Its entry not only sparks innovation, but also fuels the competitive fire that drives technological advances forward. As we continue to witness the evolution of AI, the influence of Tülu 3 on both current and future AI developments cannot be overstated. If you're intrigued by the ever-changing landscape of artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful updates on this exciting field.